So how does it work if you want to dial letters on the iPhone? And let's get started. Now, you probably came across a situation where you were required to dial in a number which was also containing the letters. So what you need to do is to go to the phone app and locate the keypad. And if you go to the keypad, you don't only see buttons with the numbers on it, but also the letters. And this is exactly why they exist. So essentially, let's say that the example is going to be the number called 1-800-APPLE, right? So you will type in the regular number of 1800, and then since we need to type in the letters or the word apple, what we need to do is to essentially find where the letter A is. So it is under number 2. So for A, we're going to type in 2. Then for P, we're going to type in 7, and there is another 7, so we're going to another P, so we're going to type in another 7. Then we have the L, which is under 5, and E, which is under the number 3. And now we essentially typed in the word apple into the actual dial pad. So that's how it works generally for any kind of number, which is like encrypted or hidden behind the letters, right? The only reason why the letters exist in the phone app is for you to know immediately what to click on and how to use it. Now, in the past, it used to work a bit different because obviously the phones were physical, the bricks, the keypad was actually a physical button. So yeah, it was like built into it, and that's how it came to be. So yeah, that's how people still like to use it. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thank you very much for watching and stick until the end. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.